The main problem with this specific door is located right here. As you can see, it is currently working quite normally and it opens and closes without any resistance. The entire installation process was definitely done properly and according to the manual, but the real issue arises specifically when you are using the physical key to lock it. To open it, you can hear the relay activating, but it doesn't release the relay when it activates. It doesn't release. Let's check. As you can see, we've disassembled it. We discovered that the problem was that the technician who installed it had tightened it too much. These screws here are the main screws for securing the armature, and as a result, it put pressure here and this part stayed fixed. It's like this contracts because it depends on the width of the door. That is, the wider the door, the further out this goes, the shorter, the less. So this was too tight inside because the armature screws were extremely tightened. For example, it releases, opens and returns, working properly. These are the screws we saw earlier that hold the armature. So if we stand on this side and do a test, now it returns without any problem. And now we're going to install the bar to do a general test. To mount the bar, we simply place the back part on the base that's here to slide it in here. I'm not sure if you can see it here, but it's going to slide behind this between the piece and the door frame. That's where it will fit. And here it will be secured with metric screws here, 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 and here. Once we have finished tightening this screw right here in this spot, we can move on to the next step. Now the lock's door piece will carefully slide into this position, fitting directly into the corresponding section of the metal bar. And finally, we'll put on the protective cover, which covers the entire unit, the entire push bar mechanism, and we attach its 4 screws, 2 on each side. Once finished, it is completely installed and closed. Now that it is open, everything has finally been returned. This component can be directly installed without any extra steps.